Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to learn about reflexive pronoun. Yeah, this word is not unfamiliar. This is very familiar to you, right? As we have seen types of pronoun, and in that we have studied about pronouns. That is types of pronoun, and we have also learned about reflexive pronoun. Okay, so we'll do some revision over that. What is pronoun, what are the types of pronoun, and then we'll see what is reflexive pronoun. Okay, so as you have learned that pronouns are the words that are often used in place of noun which have already been mentioned or are already known. So when we are using pronouns, we are using pronoun in a sentence when the in the place of noun, or when the nouns which have already mentioned or already known to it. Okay, so we used pronouns in the place of noun, and we also say that we can use pronoun in the place of common noun or proper noun. Okay, you have also looked at one class of pronouns, personal pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, and their different forms, right? So we have seen different forms of I, you, he, she, it, and their. And we have seen about personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, right? So here we are going to learn about reflexive pronoun. Let's see that. We shall now look at another group of pronouns that are formed by adding suffix. That is self. Suffix वो होता है जो लास्ट में किसी भी वर्ड के लास्ट में अटैच होके उसका वर्ड्स का पूरा डिफरेंट मीनिंग उसका चेंज कर देता है. ओके, so suffix that is added at the end of the word. Okay, so suffix self, which is added in singular nouns and singular pronouns, and selves of the plural form of shelf is used in plural, with the plurals pronoun. Okay, to some of the different forms of the personal pronoun, this pronoun are known as reflexive pronoun. So we add suffix self and suffix selves to the pronouns, okay, to their singular and plural form, and these are known as reflexive pronouns. Okay, a table of different forms of these pronoun is given below. Different forms of pronoun is given below, and reflexive pronoun is also given there. Gender and number is there, and forms of reflexive pronoun is given there. First, second, third person is given there. So first person for all the genders, singular. For all the genders in singular form, we will use myself. We will use myself. So for all the genders which will be in singular, for the first person I'm telling you, okay, first person में क्या होता है? I, we, okay. So for all the singulars form के लिए myself, and ये I के लिए हो गया, and for we first person में we होता है. For all the genders, there that will be plural, and their reflexive pronoun will be ourselves. Okay. Now second person you. For the you, वो you singular में भी यूज़ होता है और plural में भी यूज़ होता है. So that's why you will be yourself, and again for the plural one it will be yourselves. Okay. Now here in the third person we have seen about he, she, it, they. Okay, he, she, it, they we have seen. So for he masculine singular it will be himself. For she feminine singular it will be herself. And for it, no, it will be for common singular. One is there, one extra is there. Common singular, it will be himself, herself, itself, or as it is applicable in the sentence. And neuter, that will be it singular, and the reflexive form will be itself. And for all the genders like they, okay, they for all the genders, and plural form will be themselves. Okay, so this is the table of reflexive pronoun, different forms of pronoun, and that forms reflexive pronoun. Okay, now we'll see the next one. Note that though in the case of second person personal pronoun, the same form you is used to refer one or more than one person. In the case of the second person reflexive pronoun, yourself is singular form and yourselves the plural form. Yes, we have seen that how this you is used both for the plural and for the singular forms. So when we are using you in a singular form, we will use yourself. Okay. And when we are using you as a plural form, then we will add yourselves. Okay. Now we'll see uses of reflexive pronoun. Okay. First is given there. Reflexive pronoun are used to emphasize. When a reflexive pronoun is used for emphasize, um, it is also known as emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. When we use reflexive pronoun for emphasis, means कुछ ज़्यादा बल, okay, for giving more importance to the pronoun, we use means reflexive pronoun, and we use it for emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. Okay, as in the form of emphasizing pronoun, as I have told you that emphasizing means to give more importance. Okay, so for example, for giving more example, we use for giving more importance, we use reflexive pronoun. Okay, when the use is that example, we'll see. Gopalan cooked all the dishes himself. Okay, we ourselves saw a tiger fighting with an elephant. Vikram went to Delhi himself. In example A, the fact that Gopalan not somebody else cooked the dishes is emphasized, means it tells that the dish which is cooked by Gopal, he made it by himself, not anyone came or helped him, it just made by him. Okay, that's why we added himself there for Gopalan. In example B, the fact that we saw something with our own eyes is emphasized. अपने आँखों से देखे हैं, that is emphasized. It is not that we are merely reporting what we have heard from somebody or what somebody else saw. ना कि हम लोग किसी और का सुने हैं, ना कोई मुझे बता रहा है देखकर. We just saw it by our eyes. Okay, we show the things just with ourselves. Okay, that's why it emphasizing, and that's why we added selves with r. Okay, though the reflexive pronoun used for emphasis is usually placed after the subject, it can be placed as in example A after the object of a transitive verb, or in question numbers example C after intransitive verb plus preposition plus noun. Okay, object of a means here it is telling that how we can use this reflexive pronoun. We can use reflexive pronoun just after the just after the subject. We can use just like question number A, okay, or the B, and we can also use this reflexive pronoun after the preposition or after the transitive verb. Okay, so there are two places where we can use reflexive pronoun. We can use reflexive pronoun after the subject, or we can also use it after the transitive verb. Okay, here one example is there. Objective here given written object of a preposition Delhi is the object of the preposition to. Yeah, okay. Note that as used in A, B, and C, the reflexive pronoun can be omitted without changing the meaning of the sentences. Okay. When a reflexive pronoun is used to emphasize a noun other than the subject, it is placed immediately after the noun. What it tells you, when the reflexive pronoun is emphasizing a noun, when it gives more importance to a noun other than the subject, subject के अलावा वो noun को ज़्यादा emphasize कर रहा है, then it will be placed just after the noun. ये noun के just after में place होगा. जैसे यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा, Kyun is a noun and herself is a reflexive pronoun. Then ये किसको emphasize कर रहा है? Noun को emphasize कर रहा है. That's why it is placed just after the noun. Okay. The sentence emphasizes the fact that Alice met the queen and not somebody else, so herself comes immediately after the queen. जो काम खुद से किया जा सकता है, okay, the thing what we have done it with ourselves, there we use reflexive pronoun. जिसको हमने खुद से किया है, for that we are using reflexive pronoun. Okay, himself, herself, उसने किया है, उसने खुद से किया है, ये मैंने किया है, मैंने खुद से किया है. Okay, For that it will come reflexive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun is placed just after the subject, or it will be placed just after the transitive verb. Okay, and when it is giving when it emphasizing about a noun, जब वो noun के बारे में बोल रहा है, then it will come immediately just after that noun. वो queen के बारे में बोल रहा है, then it will come just after the noun. So that was the first use, that it used to emphasize a pronoun. Okay, for emphasizing it is used. Now the second one, reflexive pronoun are also used to emphasize that somebody did, or was, something is written, I could not recognize it, or we do something alone or without any help or interference from anyone else. So reflexive pronoun is also used to emphasize things, emphasize that somebody has done something, or somebody has done without, or means without doing anything else, did something alone or without any help. Okay, for that also we use reflexive pronoun. जिसने वो खुद से किया है बिना किसी के हेल्प से, एंड किसी ने कुछ किया है बिना किसी के हेल्प से और अकेले किया है, then we are also using reflexive pronoun for that. For example, note the use of the preposition by in the following examples. Okay, the old man lived in that house all by himself. तो ये alone हो गया, जो work alone हुआ है, that is said to work. For there we will use reflexive pronoun. I solved the puzzle by myself, ये without any help हुआ है. The little girl was carrying the heavy box all by herself without any help. So reflexive pronoun first to give emphasize करने के लिए, giving more importance. Okay, second हम लोग reflexive pronoun तब use करते हैं जब whenever we like किसी ने कुछ किया है विदाउट एनी हेल्प और खुद से किया है, अकेले किया है, then that is said to be reflexive pronoun, and there we will use reflexive pronoun. And हम लोगों ने एग्जाम्पल देखा, ओल्ड मैन रहता था उस घर में अलोन, वो सॉल्व किया पजल खुद से अलोन, मीन्स विदाउट एनी हेल्प, एंड लास्ट में वो बैग्स कैरी की विदाउट एनी हेल्प. ओके, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी विल यूज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. थर्ड, reflexive pronoun are used after verbs with the preposition to make it clear which person or thing we are talking about. Yes, reflexive pronoun is also used after the verb with preposition. With preposition, it is used with preposition to make it clear which person or things we are talking about. किसके लिए हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. For making it more clear, we use reflexive pronoun with preposition. Okay. राम इज़ एंग्री विथ हिमसेल्फ. तो यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है कि वो किससे गुस्सा है, तो वो खुद से गुस्सा है, एंड वी हैव यूज्ड प्रीपोजिशन विथ हिमसेल्फ. ओके, राम इज़ एंग्री विथ हिम, वो किसी और से गुस्सा है. यहाँ पे भी ये क्लियर हो रहा है कि वो किसी और से गुस्सा है. राम वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिम, राम वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिमसेल्फ. वो रंजन वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिम, रंजन वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिमसेल्फ. वो खुद से बात कर रहा है एंड वो उससे बात कर रहा है. फॉर मेकिंग इट मोर क्लियर वी यूज reflexive pronoun. Okay, and with the preposition we are talking about. When it is clear which person we are talking about, a reflexive pronoun is not used. हम लोग अगर क्लियर कर देते कि हम लोग उससे बात कर रहे हैं, आई एम टॉकिंग टू राम, ओके, तो जब हम लोग क्लियर कर देते हैं तो वहाँ पर रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन यूज़ नहीं होता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हियर, होटल्स डू नॉट परमिट गेस्ट टू कीप देयर पेट्स विद देम इन देयर रूम. ओके, दैट वी डू नॉट यूज़ देमसेल्व्स. यहाँ पे हम लोग देम यूज़ किए हैं, देमसेल्व्स यूज़ नहीं किए हैं, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर दैट गेस्ट्स को परमिट नहीं है. वहाँ पे हम लोग क्लियर कर दिए कि गेस्ट को परमिट नहीं है डॉग्स लाना. ओके, दैट्स वाई वी डिडंट यूज़ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन देयर. व्हेन इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर, मीन्स वो क्लियर करने के लिए जैसे यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का दिया हुआ है, टू मेक इट क्लियर विच पर्सन और थिंग वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. और जब हम लोग ऑलरेडी क्लियर किए वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, विच पर्सन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, किस पर्सन के लिए हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. पर्सन अगर एकदम क्लियर है, पहले तो हम लोग वहाँ पे क्लियर कर रहे हैं विच पर्सन और थिंग्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, किस पर्सन के लिए बात कर रहे हैं। और अगर पर्सन का क्लियर ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है देन वी विल नॉट यूज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन। ओके, होटल्स डू नॉट परमिट गेस्ट टू कीप देयर पेट्स विद देम इन देयर रूम and we do not use themselves here, for it is clear that they cannot refer to anybody else but the guests themselves, right? So there we didn't use the reflexive pronoun. Okay, so rest of the uses we'll see tomorrow. Okay, there are 5 uses in which we have learnt about first, second and third. I will suggest you please read that by yourself. Okay, and tomorrow again we'll meet with the another uses of next uses, and tomorrow I'll complete the chapter, and I will request you to study all the rules, the definitions, earlier definition about pronoun types, and reflexive pronoun, and its and the table and this table. Okay, along with that uses. Okay, what I have discussed today, 1 2 3 uses. Okay, have a nice day to all.